My son came and visited my baby daddy who lives 6 hours away in a hotel, so come with me to clean his hotel. So for the most part it's clean, and that's kind of aggravating because you couldn't clean out the house, but whatever. So let's clean up. Those little two things. His living room is now clean. So I'm currently cleaning the kitchen because I'm cooking, but here's the kitchen. Here's your overview. They actually know that. Food pantry. Got the kitchen done. She is looking great. So this is the room. It's so bad, I know. That's my bed. That's his bed. That's our baby's bed. So let's clean all this up.
Sharky would get you that says all dogs must have an sketching.
Here is his room afterwards. I stripped his bedding because he needs to wash it. My bed's clean though. See? So all he has to do is his laundry, and that is more than manageable. So thank you